The journey begins with a drive through the scenic landscapes of Iceland, where the rugged terrain and volcanic formations set the stage for an unforgettable adventure. Upon arrival at the base camp, visitors are briefed on safety protocols and equipped with necessary gear for the descent into the volcano. The group embarks on a hike across the lava fields, surrounded by the stark beauty of the Icelandic wilderness, leading to the volcano's opening. At the volcano's entrance, a lift system is used to lower visitors into the magma chamber, offering a unique perspective of the Earth's interior. Inside the Thrihnukagigu volcano, the vibrant colors of the rock formations and the vastness of the chamber leave visitors in awe. Guides provide insights into the geological history and significance of the volcano, enhancing the educational aspect of the experience. After exploring the chamber, visitors are safely lifted back to the surface, reflecting on the rare opportunity to venture inside a dormant volcano. The adventure concludes with a return hike to the base camp, where participants share their experiences and newfound appreciation for Iceland's natural wonders.